Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen and everyone. So I actually just took this trade, but it was a little bit before before my trading time. So I'm just gonna explain it real quick. And early in the morning, I took a previous trade on the London session, but I got stopped on this week. It was a really nice idea, nice setup, but I just got stopped on this little week over here. As you can see, it was a really clear setup, fake out. So now I'm going to explain the trade I'm in. So basically, as we all know, yesterday was the CPI day and price just dropped like around from here, from this area. So dropped like around 300 pips. So what I noticed is that price tend to correct these moves in the next day in the morning. So that's why I was trading early in the aging session. And the reason I took this first trade is because the daily did not have a bottom wick look, and I was anticipating the bottom wick on the daily time frame. Uh, but as we can see now, we are retracing. So this trade idea, basically, we have a really clean, huge range to the left hand side of around like 137 pips, and on the 1 hour we see like a really clean closure above this area here. And also, so actually this candle didn't break the previous high, so I was just waiting for even better clean setup. And when I saw this on the 15 time frame, I just entered for long position exactly now after the 30-minute candle closure. No, sorry, I entered on the break of these highs actually. Yeah, and stop loss was kept below around, yeah. So this is the stop loss over here. It's not that best stop loss, but it's around 8-9 pips. Yeah. So I was just anticipating the volume to move up, and yeah, luckily it didn't went back. So I'm actually looking for at least like half of this range. So this around 90, 100, maybe like 30, 35 pips, something like that. I probably will secure around here, this area, close like maybe 80, 90% this area. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So look, it was a really clean fake out setup. I entered when this candle closed below this consolidation area, and boom. Yeah. So let's see how does this trade, uh, how will it work out? Yeah, the only concern is about the stop loss. It's a little tight stop loss. It's because I already lost one trade in the morning, and this is the amount of money that I'm willing to lose at the moment. So that's why it's a little bit tight. But I believe if this candle created a small bottom wick, it does not need to create any more bottom wicks. So I'm thinking actually to put my stops to break even. Yeah, like look, really clean range. All of this, look at this week. That's around, yeah, like 200 pips. Yeah, it's a totally clean range to the left side. So let's just wait and see how does this play out. So I'm waiting now for the 15-minute candle to close, and after that I will probably uh, I will trail my stop below each 15-minute candle. As you can see, nice volatility, pre-London open. Uh, I actually really would like if this trade could just can leave it for London open. I mean for pre-London volume. Yeah, because today is Wednesday, and I believe there is a like a good chance it will run, depending on this situation, the clean traffic, and yep, clean traffic. And the previous day news. So let's see how is it doing on the 5. Okay, nice. Uh, yep, so this was the trade idea. But the main idea it was the 1 hour closure. Was the 1 hour closure. I waited for it to close, then waited for the bottom wick. I think bottom wick took like 30 minutes to form. Yeah, it was like about 30 minutes only for this bottom wick. So yeah, let's wait patiently now for the 15-minute candle to close. I'm gonna just journal this trade real quick. Entered at 10:29. Oh, so I entered actually 1 minute before 30-minute candle closure, and because it was breaking the highs, if you could look here, guys. Yeah, it broke. It kind of broke the highs. Uh, oh no, it was just a spread. So this was the limit order, and I think that the spread just triggered me in. Yeah, I thought actually it broke the highs. Uh, yeah, it was 1 minute earlier. But to be honest with you, if I waited for the 30-minute candle to form, I would have waited for maybe like a bottom week. So I will probably will not be in this trade. I'm feeling like I need to secure something right now. It's tingling me. But for the past like trades, I have been cutting my trades really early. Like I can show you some example. Trade history. For example, uh, this one right here, as you can see. So I should have held it. until this area minimum for about like 50 pips minimum, but I just closed it early at 23, 24 pips, which is it's half of my take profit. And it was like A setup, A plus setup, really clean, nice, neat, you know. Here kinda also, but I think I entered early. Mm, this one was really well, so I let them run. Look, like 60 pips, around 60 pips. Oh, this one was a sniper entry, man. Sniper entry, sniper exit. But it was a very small lot size. For example, here too. No, here it was a nice trade. That's amazing trade. This was a loss, I guess. Mm, here, that's messed up. I don't know what I was doing there. So, yep, I think maybe it's this one. Yeah. So look, price went like 48 pips and I just closed at 15. So, oh, this one too. So here is like a real nice example. Like price went minimum of 100 pips before any red candle. Let's check it on the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15, it's only this one, but never broke the low of the previous 15-minute candle. So, and it went for about like, let's say 100 pips. Yeah, it went for 100 pips, but I just secured 19 pips. Mm-hmm. Oh, this one is a cool trade. 20 pips, perfect, amazing execution, celery. Oh, that's bullshit. So yeah, let's just focus on the trade we are having at the moment. So as you know, guys, in this journey, it's all about learning from your mistakes, learning from your previous experiences. I took this trade actually yesterday after the CPI news. So I don't like to trade the news, but I did trade after it. The idea behind the trade is that this was the CPI week. CPI first candle after the news release. So the candle went, created a top wick of around 60 pips, and bias was bearish. So when it came to break the low, I actually entered for a sell position right here and got like around 40, 42 pips. But the stop loss was, man, I don't think it was the good idea or neither good trade. Yeah, I won, but it was not a good trade. If you know, you know. And this one too, but this one had more logic behind it. It was just a quick scalp. So basically, the 4 hour closed with no top wick, and this was the top wick of the 4 hour candle. Yeah, and that was the idea. So loss was kicked around here, or I think it was just below the low of the candle because there was no need to create a bottom wick. Small risk, small stop loss. Yeah, everything was tight. So here the 15-minute candle closed beautifully, beautifully closed, and now it's creating its bottom wick. So I hope it will fill this week. Then maybe we can secure some partials. Yeah, around like maybe 30 pips. So if it fill this week, I'm going to secure some partials, guys, right around here. So let me go grab something to drink and I will be right back. Alright, guys, so this is playing out nicely. It's approaching our first area of securing profit. I'm going to close something like right about now. Okay, so yes, I close today. Mhm. So this was just yesterday's, today's withdrawal, I mean, and this is the first trade. This is the second trade, and stop loss to break even. And now let it run. So I'm going to, whenever a 15-minute candle close, I'm just going to track the trail, the stop behind every 15 minutes. Yep, like this. And that's all. So let's see if this will run or oh man, amazing trade, amazing idea, execution, everything. It's just was one missing is the stop loss was kinda tight, but I like it actually. I like that it worked out and we didn't got to see our stop loss get hit, you know. This 1 hour candle is pushing. Yeah, but I think I'm just gonna leave it because I keep closing my trades early and yeah, just a practicing. They are kinda up almost, so it does not show. I have to close this trade fully so it will show the percentage how much we are up for today, but it's a little bit above 1%, maybe 0.7, 0.8% for the day. It's really pushing these last minutes of the 4 hours. I like that the 15-minute candle went all the way, created the bottom wick, and then went up again. It is what I like to call it a healthy continuation. Come on, 1 minute left for the candle to close. 23, 8, let's say 24 pips. Mhm. So this was a breakout at, oh, nice, amazing. And so it's at 10:29. It was so pre-London. It starts now, so it was also late Asian gold buy. It was a breakout on the 1 hour time frame. Break previous high low on the 1 hour. Mm, full. Yep, it was exactly like this, as you can see here, guys. Clean as setup, and it's running. So we closed half at 25 pips. Sorry, at yep, around 25 pips. 25, like right around here, 24 something. It was point 0.8. So let me draw the line. Hmm, one pip lower. Yep. So actually we closed more than 50%. So it was around, let me calculate that real quick. It was around 75% closed on 75. So sometimes my keyboard, the keys does not work. So okay, let's just write 75%. Okay. Mm, I think I need a new laptop, man. This thing is old. Yeah, I'm also happy with taking this trade because look how this candle beautifully closed, but I just entered a little bit early and didn't wait for this top wick. But I noticed in the price when it creates like bottom wicks like this and then it always breaks with the like it moves like really fast. But it was Asian session and the volume was kind of low. So that's why I believe it went to create this top wick. Huge top wick. Yeah, but if I waited, would have played perfectly. Top wick and pretty exactly like same entry right around here. Top wick was around 14 pips. Take profit was around like 38, 40 pips. Yeah, I like that gold is giving us this clean moves. So this candle created the high and now it's creating a low, and I think I'm going to secure this because it's retracing, right? No, I think I will just keep it running because yeah, I have to keep it running at least till here, till the big profit I decided. But to be honest, it can run till here, but I don't want to be that greedy. So let's just put this our final target, and here I'm going to secure another half. Let us put a line so I know when I should secure. So as we said, this range was 150, so 75. Yeah, like round around here exactly. Mhm. This week. So I think I will just update you with the final results, guys. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, guys. So I got stopped out. Actually, I was doing some other stuff, and I forgot to move the stop loss till to trail this 15-minute candle. So, but it's fine. We closed for 1% for the day. Our trade went for about 47 pips, but we secured most of it, 24, 19. So, yeah, I think it's about 24, 25 pips. So, and that was all for today. Yeah, peace and love.